Alright. LCD cover replacement. Alright, so this computer's been in here like a couple times. The first time we replaced the LCD cover, everything was fine. The second time it was actually abandoned here because the customer was, I'll have to show you guys. The back of this flexes, and you can flex this into the motherboard. So what happens is when you flex it into the motherboard, it creates a short and the computer just stops functioning altogether. So he brought it in and he abandoned it, and I ended up acquiring this after he abandoned it because he bought a new one from us after we did a data backup. And after that, I've been using it. Well, the exact same thing that happened originally with this, where this whole corner broke, happened again. So I'm going to be replacing this again. This time though, because I'm not going to replace this one more time. This is the last time this thing will be replaced. I am going to put some glue down here on both sides, drop it into place. That's it. That should hopefully give it a little bit of reinforcement that it needs. We're going to use some relatively high strength stuff here. And I realized that these Wi-Fi cables and antennas are supposed to go underneath these hinges, and I am not doing that. We're going to go above the hinges on this. Alright, so let's get the cables managed. I wish there was like an alignment thing up here. Usually these will have like a little pin that sticks up through the PCB to say, hey, you're lined up. You're good to close this. This one doesn't have that. Yeah, for sure. Because this has Windows Hello. Man, I'm just going back and forth. There we go, got it. That new LCD snapping together feeling. All right, we look good. Wi-Fi looking good. Alright, all done. I use Discord. All right, one done. Any day now, computer. So, having replaced this part twice, I think we're good. Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two. Thanks for watching.